Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Class 6, Subject Science, more about plant. Part 5, we are going to discuss. Flowers. Different plants have different flowers, and the flowers are the most attractive part of the plant. Let me see about flower. Parts of flower. Sepal. It is a green color structure. It's like a leaf-like structure. Petals. It is a smooth part and it is a colorful part of the flower. Flowers have female part as well as male part in the flowers. Anther, filament, stamen. And this is the male part of the flower. And we can see here stigma, style, ovary, pistil. And this is the female part of the flower. Petals, colorful part of the flower. Anther, filament is the male part of the flower. Stigma, stale, and pollen tube. And this is the pollen tube. Petals, stigma, stale, ovary, and ovals. This we can say it is a carpel, and it is the female part of the flower. Anther, filament. It is the stamen, male part of the flower. Let me see one by one. Petals. Petals are usually colorful. Different flowers have different color petals, and this part is known as petals. Petals. Leaf, stamen, pistil, and flower. Let me see about sepals. And it is a green color part, and it is leaf-like structure present at the base of the flower. And this protect the flower while when it is bud stage. Okay, it is protect the flower while when it is in the bud stage. Pistil, female part of the flower. There are three parts: stigma, stay, and ovary. The top part is known as stigma, and tube-like structure is known as stay, and it is the ovary. And here we have the ovaries, and this become seeds after the pollination. The pistil is female part of the flower. After pollination, the ovals develop into seeds and the pistil develop into fruits. So this oval part become a seeds and this ovary part become a fruits. And this is style and stigma, female part of the flower. Let me see about male part of the flower. Stamen or male part of the flower, it has two parts, filament and anther. The topmost part is known as anther, and this tube-like structure is known as filament, and this part is male part. Let me see a small video about hibiscus. The sepals are removed first. It is a green color part. It present at the base of the flower. The next is petals are removed. The colorful part of the flower is petals. The tail of the flower is split open. Using a scale, we are going to open it. Now the ovary is removed. The ovary is opened to reveal the tiny ovals. So the ovals become a seeds after the pollination. And this is the ovals. This is the colorful part attract insect to help pollination, and it is the petals. The yellow anther or the male part of the flower, it produces pollen grain. The stigma of the hibiscus is red in color. Ovals, ovary. Ovals are found in the ovary. The sepals protect the flower when it is in the bud stage. Thank you, children. I hope you understand. Let us see next class.